Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Jelani Lion, and today I am drawing Will from It. Welcome to Derry. That is Will, that is Leroy's son, a part of the clique in Welcome to Derry. So first we start with the circle, then we start with the guidelines. The guidelines being the one in the center going vertically, and the one in the center going horizontally. The horizontal line is for the eyes, and from there I usually build around the eyes, with the nose, the mouth, and then the shape of the face and whatnot. What do you guys think about It Welcome to Derry? I think that was probably one of the best shows of 2025, so I'm super excited to be doing this Welcome to Derry art page, if you will. So different characters from different scenes of Welcome to Derry. This is when Will encounters Pennywise face to face in his home. Very shocking stuff. I'm also enjoying the whole drawing and coloring scene that I get to do with my very own created by me coloring books that are available on Amazon. They're called Lion-Hearted Coloring Books. I definitely recommend to any kid, teen, adult out there that would like a stress relief and relaxing time coloring in super dope designs. I'm releasing a new coloring book every month, it's looking like, so it's a super dope coloring book series. Just check it out. It's called Lion-Hearted Coloring Book on Amazon. But yeah, back into this me drawing Will. It was probably one of my favorite looks or my favorite stills from It Welcome to Derry. I believe probably the only other one that might be my favorite is, or another one of my favorites is Pennywise, when he's like half Pennywise and half like red from like the blood that he was like engulfed in during the show and whatnot. Obviously another classic one is Richie. I've seen different people on TikTok tell me that they want to see me draw Richie. He is, I think, gonna be the next person I draw on this page. So definitely stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss a single thing. And also you can comment and let me know either different characters or different shows or animes or whatever else you'd like to see me draw and color and whatnot. But also I'll probably I need to do more coloring pages from my actual coloring books. Like I said, if you check out the Instagram Lion-Hearted Coloring Books on Instagram, you'll see the different designs I have on there. But yeah, I'm super excited. 2026 has been a super exciting and creative year already. So yeah, and with this Will drawing so far, what you've seen is I started off with a yellow colored pencil and then switched to a red colored pencil. That's because the yellow colored pencil helped me get a nice base, and then the red helped me define said base and made it more like defined and visible to see and whatnot. Also because the scene that this is depicting is like a very warm scene, so warm colors like red, yellow, orange, and whatnot. Something I've started doing recently that I'm super excited to be doing is working with markers. I never have worked with markers in my past, so like now that I've gotten into markers, it's like super almost addicting. It's like it's very cool. It's very quick way of like experimenting with colors. I've like learned a little bit about color theory, and I'm super happy with how a bunch of the drawing / color like artwork has turned out thanks to these markers. These are Ahoo markers. This is not sponsored. Ahoo, if you want to sponsor your boy, you know what to do. Contact me, message me, we can work it out. But yeah, I'm starting off, like I said, this is gonna be a warmer color or a warmer like artwork, so reds, yellows, and oranges and whatnot. So I'm laying down cooler colors like blues and purples to work as the shadows for the overall artwork and whatnot. So you'll see once I start to add the orange over top, it'll blend really nicely and have a nice contrast, because blue is the complementary color of orange and purple has blue in it. So it's like, I don't know, I didn't go to art school. I went to like college for like almost a semester and then dropped out, unfortunately. But I probably would have known all this had I gone to college and went to art school and whatnot. But it's fun nevertheless to like learn new things and try new things, and then see it like do well and progress and whatnot, see the results of learning new things and whatnot. So like now I'm adding the orange, adding the yellows, and you're seeing the shadows seem more organic, like underneath the chin and along the side of his face and whatnot, and in his hair. I believe like blue and orange would make like a brown, you can see it honestly is making like a brownish color for his hair and whatnot. And once I add like a warm background shading and whatnot, it'll even like make it more like the scene and whatnot. But if you know, if you've watched the show Welcome to Derry, you know exactly where this scene is from, where this picture is portraying. But yeah, you can see how this is turning out. It's turning out really nicely. It's turning out, he looks really warm, looks really hot. And this is when he's gazing into the eye and into the mouth of Pennywise, and almost being like hypnotized by Pennywise and whatnot. So definitely was one of my favorite looks and whatnot. Yeah, and I can't wait to draw the rest. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.